If you ever watched shuffle videos and thought, this looks amazing, but it's not for me, or you feel you're not coordinated enough, or you tried before and gave up, this class is for you. I'm Flor from Flor Shuffles, and I'm really happy to guide you in this free shuffle lesson for absolute beginners. In the next minutes, you will learn your first shuffle move, not just to copy it, but to feel what it's like to start dancing. The move we're learning today is part of my Shuffle Dance Complete course, and it's called the Criss Cross. This video is in mirror view, so you can use me like your reflection and copy exactly what you see. I will show you the move from the front and from the back, so you can follow along easily. First, let me show you how it looks slowly, and now fast. And now let's break it down together. Like many shuffle moves, the Criss Cross has two main parts. The first one is the transition position, and the second one is the step. So the technique is the following. First, we're going to do a little jump with right foot. So right foot comes forward, and then we're going to come back to the transition position, and then left foot will come forward. And then again, back to the transition position. So let's look at the foot position. In the transition position, your feet will form an inverted V. Now, the right foot will come forward in this little jump, and you see that my right toe looks to the right diagonal. You will see that my left foot, the one that is at the back at this moment, is looking to the left diagonal. Yes, my toe is pointing there. Then I'm going back to the transition position, and then I repeat the same with my left foot. So my left foot will come forward. So now it points to the left diagonal. And my right foot, that is the one at the back at the moment, is pointing to the right diagonal. Yes, the toe is pointing to the right. Now, I will come back to the transition position. Now, let me show you from the back. So from the transition position, my right foot will come forward with this little jump, then coming back to the transition position, and now left foot comes forward, and then again to the transition position. Before we practice, here are a few important tips. First, stay on the ball of your feet, like this. This is what allows speed. And also keeps your knees slightly bent, so the movement feels soft, not stiff. Let me show you. Keep your weight center and your core engaged so you maintain balance. The jump doesn't need to be big. Actually, smaller jumps make it easier to go faster. So find a position that is comfortable for you. Inside the course, we go deeper into all of this, but this is more than enough to get started right now. If this feels like a lot, don't worry. This is learned step by step. You don't need any special talent, just a clear path. It will all make sense when we start to practice. You will see that something interesting will happen in a moment. This is not just one move. This is the beginning of many others. As you start repeating the move, you will see yourself dancing along. And now let's practice together. Inside the course, we will practice much longer and in many different ways, but for now, just start to feel the move. So we will start slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now let me show you from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's go a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now from the back, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And remember, shuffle is not about performing, it's about feeling alive in your body. And now we will try it fast with music. If this still feels too fast for you at the moment, it's completely okay. Just keep practicing at the speed that it feels right for you, for your body, and then when you feel ready, you can come back and practice at this speed. I hope you enjoyed this free lesson. See how, with one simple move, we already started dancing in a really fun way. So imagine what happens when you learn more moves and start combining them following a clear path step by step. Inside my Shuffle Dance Complete course, you will learn more than 30 shuffle moves with spins, glides, their variations and combos, all organized so you always know what to do next. By the end of the course, you won't just repeat the steps. You will dance a full choreography and have the confidence to freestyle with your own style. You can access the course from any device and learn at your own pace. All ages are welcome here. You don't need experience, flexibility, or a specific body type. What matters is how you feel when you move. You just need to keep going. If you're ready to continue this journey, you can join below or at floorshuffles.com. Let's keep dancing together.